Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Shiva Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also tarot reader. So ngayong gabing tatingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano man kayang energy, advices, and messages ang nagkaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap for today's video. So this release sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na pa subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angels messages. Get more information for the sign of Libra for this week. There's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money, big opportunities, and there's a big material offer. Taray, pasabog. Diba? And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo, ha? Makinig ka sa vibration and gut feeling mo. Kapag sinasabi sa'yo dito, ilaban mo. No? Kumbaga sinasabi, makinig ka sa iyong vibration. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles, being practicality and secure about sa finances, no? Kailangan may angle, no? Kailangan talaga specific, and of course, may talaga formula or something factor, no? Kailangan diretso at kailangan consistent at kailangan maayos at talagang plakado. Ganon ka dapat humawak ng pera, secure, and of course, alam mong hindi maaagaw ng iba. And of course, sinasabi rin dito, there is some Seven of Swords. There's a cheating lying on you. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging secure na pa yun. Kasi may lalapit sa'yo. Mangungutang manghihira, maging mautang. Additional messages. Sabihin yan, Mars, gainer, diba? GT. What is the Queen of Wands? Be confident. Na maging confident and be grounded, no? Kailangan maging matapang at maging ka dito, consistent sa ginagawa mo. At the same time, there's a Temperate. There's a mature enough, no? Kailangan mature ka sa ginagawa mo. Be mature, grounded. At the same time, what is the Ace of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Hierophant. There's a lesson learned. Na kailangan matuto ka na about sa finances, on how to spend money, on how to savings, on how to kung paano mo pangahawakan ng source of income mo. Maging wise at least. What is the Page of Cups? There's an Ace of Cups. There's a new offer with a new love life coming in. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Kapag ito dumating sa buhay mo tong tao na to, humarot ka. And of course, what is the Knight of Pentacles? And of course, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes. May bigla ang pagbabago or something revealed. Na may mga bagay na mabubuo at may mga bagay na masisira. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, be aware. Baka tong tao na to lumapit sa'yo, so pautangin mo, masisira yung tiwala mo, magkakaroon ka na tuloy ng trust issues. Diba? What is the Seven of Swords? There's the Moon card, there's a revelation, there's some dreams. May mga pangitain or synchronicities na ibabatid sa iyo ang ating angel spirit. Baka ipasok sa panaginip mo or sa daydream mo. Maging aware. At the same time, there's a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, there's a stress, no? And there's an anxieties, there's a deception. Kaya, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan maging confident ka. No? Kahit na na-stress ka, huwag mo ipakita sa kanila. Diba? Magkata ka ng positive energy. What is the Emperor? What is the Emperor? Okay, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Yung pasok ng eksena dito, may swerteng papasok sa buhay mo. There's a money tree. May nakikita kong money tree. Ibig sabihin daw, bumili ka ng money tree, ha? Pampaakit yun ng swerte. No? Para mapasok mo yung magandang kapalaran. There's a positive and negative energy. So, kailangan naka-front siya sa harap ng pintuan nyo or something. There's an indoor and outdoor, no? And of course, kailangan mo yan, naka-display siya sa silangan, no? What is the Ace of Pentacles in the Hierophant? There's, Seven of Pentacles. There's an harvest time. At the end of the time, makukuha mo what you deserve. What is the Page of Cups? Okay. There's a chariot card, taking action. Kailangan mo kumilos. I told you, di ba kanina sinasabi ko, humarot ka kasi itong tao na to darating sa buhay mo, magpapakipot o torpe. No, kailangan mong humarot. What is the Nine of Pentacles in the Tower? There's a Queen of Cups. There's an healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspect, lalo-lalo na yung mga nagkaroon ng problema about sa love life and career. This is a healing moment. In all aspect, finances, career, love life, kung magkakaroon ka ng healing. And of course, sinasabi dito, secure. What is the Seven of Swords in the Moon card? There is a Page of Pentacles. There is a manifestation, di ba? Kumbaga, kapag sinunod mo ang panaginip at pangitain mo, makukuha mo, malalaman mo ang mga bagay na gagawin mo. Magkakaroon ka ng ideas at the same time magiging aware ka. What is the Queen of Wands and the Knight of Swords? There's a strength card. Strongest energy. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging matapang ka, magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. Deadma ka. There's a fear eh. Sinusubukan yung takot dito, T. Diba? Labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. What is the Emperor and the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. Email messages na magdadala sa'yo ng pasabog. What is additional outcome? Ang outcome is the Nine of Swords. Magiging mabilis tong eksena na to with the long-term success and with long-term investment with the Ten of Pentacles. Kumbaga, pangmatagalan to, T. Diba? Yung mabilisan siya, pero, T. Shocking, shocking reveal or shocking surprises. What is additional outcome? And of course, there's Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. At the end of the time, magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na gusto mong gawin. Basta kailangan, sinasabi dito, kailangan detalyado, kailangan nasa formula, nasa angle, no? Kumbaga katulad nito, nasa humanity, kailangan nasa tamang position siya. Kailangan nasa silangan siya, kasi para anuhan ng araw, ganon. So, what is additional messages for love oracle card? Okay, there's a back in the stab. Stab in the back, sorry. Kumbaga, meron ditong traitor. Mag-ingat ka. Shocking attack, di ba? Hilig natin sa shocking kineso. So, meron ditong atake na, kumbaga, mabibigla ka. There's a girl talk, meron pinag-uusapan ka with, di ba? Pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. At the same time, there's a cupid arrow. Di ba? Have faith, love is coming. Parating na ang love life na para sa'yo. Mukhang kikiligin ka at mamahalin ka dito, Kailangan mong humarot. Harot! Ganon. So, what is the yin and yang oracle card? What is the yin and yang? There's an integration, union. So, some of you may balikan or something pagsasama. And of course, there's Ace of Earth. So, some of you may kaugnayan ka sa Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Another messages. Give me one more card. So, there's an feminine. So, gandang-ganda ka dito, There's a femininity. Kumbaga, sinasabi na kailangan ka, babae-babae lang ang galawan mo dito, pa-bebe-bebe lang, ganon. And of course, what is another's romance angels? Bilis ba? Bilis ang atake, diba? What is the romance angels? What is the romance angels? This could be the one. Ay, taray, doon siya, siya na yun talaga. Charis. And you've already met the romantic partner you see. See? Nakita mo na yung taong para sa'yo. Kumalma ka. And of course, sinasabi dito, it is safe for you to love. Oh, see? Safe ka daw na magmamahal ka na this time. Diba? Open your heart to give or receive the highest energy at all. Diba? Magmahal, muling kiligin. Humarot. Huwag na magpakipot. What is the energy? There's an indecision. So, may mga bagay na hindi ka pa mapag-desisyonan as soon as possible. And of course, there's blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, mukha mamamayag pag about sa finances. Ito na yung uulanin ka talaga ng swerte. And there's an adversity. I-accept the challenges are the best way to learn. Na may mga bagay na parang, kumbaga matututunan mo sa mga pinagdaanan mo. No? Kumbaga gagawin mo raw yung, i-accept mo yung challenges na yan. And of course, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a dragonfly magic, diba? Love is a magic. Got to believe in magic tea. At there's a transformation. And of course, there's a mirror for a truth reveal na may mga bagay na malalaman ka. Matutuklasan, kumapit-kapit ka. So, what is the chakra? So, ang ganda ng reading ng Libra, ha? So, let's see. There is a facade. So, ibig sabihin, wag mong antayin mahuli ang lahat. Diba? There's a destiny to happen. Wow. Talagang mangyayari ang dapat mangyayari. Diba? There's a destiny. So, ibig sabihin talaga mayroon ditong everlasting promises. May pangmatagalang pagmamahal. Kikiligin ka for the highest good. And of course, take time to breathe out. Kailangan mong huminga na malalim. Huminga ka na malalim dito. Mukhang taking ka sa eksena dito. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, hindi pa napapanahon ngayon. Kumalma ka. Baka magmadali ka. So, mag-antay ka. Darating siya kung darating siya. So, this time, kailangan mo muna asikasuhin about sa finances mo. No? What is Archangel Michael messages? Ay, walang messages si Archangel Michael. Okay, guarded and protected. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na pinoprotektahan at ginagabayan ng ating Archangel Michael. This situation, this is life purpose, no? Kumbaga ito yung life purpose mo daw. 'Di ba? Yung magmahal at muling kiligin. Taray naman. So, what is additional messages? Options. Marami kang option ka dito, Tio. Maraming option. And there's a lot of possibilities about sa career. At the same time, there's a practice. Practice make perfect. Charis! Muntikan na tayong mautal. Sinasabi dito na kailangan mo mag-i-enhance yung abilities mo, yung kakayanan mo. So, what is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? So, there's a 333. I am powerful. No? Napakalakas mo dito, T. And of course, you are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker assisting to you all humanity. Live your truth and be a positive light to others. So, ikaw ay magsisilbing liwanag. Ikaw ay magsisilbing kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan. Diba? Kumbaga, ano ka dito, teacher ka or guardian ka dito sa lahat ng bagay. Diba? What is the messages of life? For the last card, what is the messages of life? So, return to the inner temple. Wala pang Jesus loving quotes. Meron ba? Oh, Jesus loving quotes, sorry. Unahin muna natin Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quotes, get my information. Meron ba Jesus loving quotes? Wala pa. Okay. As and you shall receive that your joy may be full. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga hingiin mo lang daw, no? Itanong mo, hingiin mo, ilapit mo kay God, no? Yung mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo kung karapat dapat para sa'yo. Magiging masaya ka ng punong-puno, gawin mong sentro si God. So, return to the inner temple. Today, I rediscover my inner sense in sacred silence in this inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has provided me. Here, I regain my sense of fragility. I retrieve my trust in the universe. But in the light of my inner temple, I now remember the value of each and every step of my life. So, ibig sabihin na parang unti-unti mong natutuklasan at unti-unti mo nalalaman yung mga bagay-bagay. Unti-unti mo nauunawaan na kumbaga may mga possibilities na mangyayari na hindi natin kontrolado. May mga bagay na kapag talaga si God ang gumawa ng plano, talagang hindi talaga tayo talaga mabibigo. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22. For the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, And of course, birthday. And of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para at least sa susunod na reading, baka energy mo na ang ating mahagilap at masagap. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!